Good afternoon. Here's your Newsroom Afternoon Brief for Tuesday, August 26, 2025. We start by telling you that a woman and her partner tragically died in an alleged murder-suicide incident in Charlotte Street, Georgetown, earlier today at about noon. The woman has been identified as Tikade Atia Solomon, 36, and the shooter has been identified as 36-year-old Alroy Solomon. The couple's 10-year-old son was also injured in the shooting and was taken to the Georgetown Public Hospital. Investigators are on the scene conducting a probe into the shooting. The newsroom understands that the woman was an employee of ExxonMobil Guyana. The couple had recently filed for divorce. She was renting the property on Charlotte Street after her house was destroyed in a fire a few months ago. The property owner's brother, Coel Marks, told reporters at the scene that the couple had domestic issues and that police are investigating at least 2 shooting incidents at the property within the last 3 months. In an unprecedented move to amplify the voices of children, the Child Care and Protection Agency hosted its first National Children's Conference today, bringing together children from across the country to engage directly in discussions about their safety, well-being, and future. The conference saw the participation of 200 children. It provided a platform for children aged 9 to 16 to share their experiences, ask questions, and offer recommendations to policymakers. Minister of Human Services and Social Security Dr. Vindy Prasad told the newsroom that the event was designed to ensure that children not only feel heard, but are seen as active participants in shaping the society they live in. Among the topics discussed were sexual and reproductive health, children's rights, mental health and well-being, and accessibility and inclusion. And we tell you now that the Ghana Prison Service yesterday commissioned its new headquarters at Lusignan, East Coast Demerara. This means that the Prison Service headquarters will now be relocated from Brigham to Lusignan. The new headquarters is located within the Lusignan prison compound and offers more space, allowing for expanded administrative operations, improved staff coordination, and a closer integration of security and rehabilitative functions. As part of the functioning, plaques were unveiled for several major facilities completed at Lusignan, signaling a substantial investment in the modernization of the prison system. Central to these developments are 6 newly constructed cell blocks, representing a total investment of over $2.2 billion.
This building stands as a testimony to us that indeed prison officers are worthwhile. Isn't that so, my friends? And so we appreciate the fact that the human capacity will be enhanced, the condition of service will definitely be enhanced, our operational outlook and the efficiency will be improved, and staff will be working in a very comfortable and modern environment where their work output and performance will match that to what we would have seen today.
This building stands as a metaphor for what we want to have in this system. This building and the other facilities that we've built over there are completing just now. While we make new blocks, while we put in place the school, when we put in the trade shops, the vocational areas, we're talking about reforming, rehabilitating, making them separate from society, making them about the mental health challenges too, dealing with those issues so that we could return them safe to their families, to their communities, that they do not pose a risk to themselves and to the country, making sure that they come back and come out to become well suited, well trained up, skilled up, so that they could make useful contributions to the society.
Now you can find these and other stories at our website, newsroom.gy, and across our social media pages, Newsroom Guyana. I'm Vishani Raghavar. Thanks for joining.